Hi, today we'll discuss about how to install Grafana in Windows. What are the prerequisites for this to install the Grafana? What is a Grafana? Where to use Grafana? And if you are using a project based on Spring Boot microservices, then we can also configure the Grafana here. So what are the ways are there? So this is the link which I'll be attached in this description. There you can see the Grafana how to install. So this is the grafana.com documentation. So there we have an installation of window. If you want, you can search for this Linux or others environment like Mac and all. So how we'll do? First you have to navigate to Grafana download page and then download the Grafana version you want to install. So here better you have to download most recent version. So we have our multiple things are there: Linux, Windows, Mac, and Docker. Also through the Docker ARM also we can install the Grafana. So we are going for this window. We are clicking for this zip or installer. So better going for this installer. So here we'll click and then that installer will be downloaded, and after that we will follow this step. So the second step, I have already gone through the default version, and after that downloading. So if you want to install, just build and click on this. So this has been installed, open, downloaded. Now we have to download. So once you click on this Grafana, so it is asking for this unrecognized app from this. So running my more info, run anyway, and then this Grafana dash things is coming. Then you have to click on that, accept the condition, next, then next, then install. So once you install the Grafana, so that we'll see this. I'm going for this click window, then download the installer, open this run installer, download the properties, extract that to run the Grafana, and then to run the Grafana on browser. So this is the localhost 3000 is the by default port where we can see the Grafana dashboard. And if you want to change the port, so these all are the configurations like a config, custom INF and all. So there we can change, but better is to see this way. Localhost 3000 is the default. Yeah, so this Grafana enterprise setups has installed. Now what we have to see in Grafana, we have to search. Default is there. You have to see this one by default. So once you start this Grafana, then see here Grafana dashboard. So this is the Grafana dashboard. Enter the username, passwords, and then you have to see the Grafana. So what is Grafana? I will search. We'll also discuss later like Grafana related things. So that documents also you can read it if you want. You can see Grafana. So Grafana is just a multiple open source platform which is used for analytics and interactive visualization web application. It provides chart, graph, and alert for web when connected and support the data source. It can easily install using Docker Composer. There's no license Grafana enterprise version with additional compatibility availability as a self-hosted installation or account of Grafana. So this is the Grafana overview. We have installed the Grafana. You can log in inside with the credentials which provided, and then also the Grafana has installed successfully in my machine. You want to change, then these all are the port configurations where we can change the port number and all. So this is also like if you want to start the Grafana server, then you can go for and then start the Grafana. See, this is the where we can change the port and edit the port and all. So my Grafana has installed successfully. This is support to login. By default is 3000 local login. This is the downloads which I have got, and here is the document. Is that is latest for the Grafana. Yeah. So that's it. Yeah. Thank you for that. Please subscribe my channel if you want uh, any other channel or any others document or any other next video which is related for whatever the technology. Please let me start or create the same. Yeah. Thank you.